India has added another milestone to its long list of space achievements. Well, India's space agency, ISRO, successfully launched its heaviest ever communications satellite. Now, India's most powerful rocket, the launch vehicle Mark III, lifted off from Sriharikota in Andhra Pradesh on Wednesday morning. Carrying Bluebird Block 2 communications satellite, nearly 15 minutes later, the satellite was placed onto its intended orbit. Bluebird Block 2 has been designed and developed by the American firm AST Space Mobile. The satellite weighs 6,100 kilograms, which is the heaviest payload that India has ever launched. The previous heaviest payloads launched by the rocket was the communication satellite O3, weighing about 4,400 kilograms, which was placed in orbit on November 2nd. Prime Minister Narendra Modi hailed the successful launch of the Bluebird mission. He described it as a significant stride and a proud milestone in the country's expanding space journey. He added that the achievement strengthens India's heavy lift launch capability and reinforces India's growing role in the global commercial launch market. The successful launch means not only a technical triumph, but also gives boost to ISRO's commercial ambitions. The mission was facilitated by New Space India Limited, which is the commercial arm of the Indian Space Agency. This mission marks the sixth operational flight of the LVM-3 launch vehicle. The satellite is the first in the fleet of over 40 satellites that AST Space Mobile will be launching in the coming years. The end game is to deliver internet connectivity directly from satellites to smartphones. Typically, only special devices can communicate with satellites, but when AST technology is ready, it can enable Apple and Android smartphones to connect with satellites when regular connectivity is not available. Now, this is the second collaboration between the US and ISRO. In July, the ISRO had successfully launched the $1.5 billion NASA-ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar mission, NISAR, aimed at taking high-resolution Earth scans with the capacity to penetrate through fog, dense clouds and ice layers.
यहाँ अभी आपने देखा चारों L40 तथा 4 बूस्टर S139 का सफल प्रज्वलन और GSLV F-16 का उत्थापन द्वितीय प्रमोशन मंच से और ये